stuff of that organization or of that meeting or whatever, you're going to carry with you that residue or that negativity of that setup and that organization. If you don't like it, quit. If you love it, continue. But the point is, align yourself and concentrate on working on yourself and take breaks and stuff. Multitasking is not always bad, but to avoid this whole thing about burnout and killing your creativity and not being a think tanker or an idea person can only be combated if you kind of pay attention to rejuvenating yourself and refreshing yourself and stuff. So everybody's logic about how they are in different organizations or different verticals industries doesn't apply on everybody. Every person or every recruit is different, so you got to kind of focus on yourself. Sit down, think, let your thoughts pass, write, read some books, pick up a magazine, pick up a book. It's not essential to always look at a personality or a podcast or whatever, and step out, look at stuff around you and stuff, and you get inspired and come back, and that's when you hit your best. So there are so many times that I don't have ideas coming into me, and what do? I just walk around. I take a walk in the lobby, I take a walk in my office, I just kind of go strike a conversation with someone, have a light conversation or a thought interaction, and I come back, and when I'm on my desk, I'm focused on my work. So hope this helps. So the objective is to kind of give you some ideas on being present and being in the moment and stuff, and forgetting it that real life or lives of actors actresses is going to help you in the corporate world or in the professional world or in the world of entrepreneurship or whatever, because all of those are success stories. Their journeys are different, their lifestyles are different, their circles are different and stuff. So if you're looking at actually design creativity, if you're looking at communication, if you're looking at let's say innovation or whatever, then you have to have a fresh perspective coming into you every day, and soaking up negativity and soaking up all these sob stories, cry stories, and negative stories is not going to help you and stuff. Yesterday I shared that it becomes a part of your psyche and your acumen and stuff. I mean, how does that help you? It's not positively contributing. You have a topic to share and talk, and that's what these people want you to do by sharing their stories, writing their books and stuff. Many of the unknown people want to figure out as personalities or celebrities in a world that's not known, or in a world that doesn't know them and stuff. So better than that is to kind of focus on yourself and look at the larger picture, and look at it that what is it that you're bringing intellectually, or as ideas, or as strategies, or as solutions across the table. Because when you're working as an entrepreneur or somebody who's going to be benefiting the community, then all of that doesn't work. What really works is your time, your value, your contribution, your presence, your ideas, your creativity, your strategy, your approach, your positive mindset, all of that helps. So hope this helps. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design, and I know there's a lady who shared yesterday on her post that mindset is everything. So I know you agree and stuff. So thank you so much for the indirect compliment. And yes, there's another lady who's sent me a message, and someone from my neighborhood who's liked this post around the media shares and the quality of content and stuff. So I'm so glad you agree with it. So as parents or elders in the family and stuff, and because you're in the same neighborhood and community, it would be a good idea to kind of promote the same thought process in your own circle and people and stuff. So this is me, Jashin Kapani, and the chapter is actually called Presence. So being present. So I was following Yuvraj, and Yuvraj's story has been playing on my mind for the last half an hour in the morning. So I'm an example that if you're going to be thinking about a certain celebrity or a personality, it's obviously going to play on your head. So if you want that to happen, if you're in the world of sports, entertainment or whatever, go ahead. But if you're in the world of design, architecture, and thought share, or solving problems of the world and of the community and stuff, then all of that doesn't help you. At least toxic and negative stuff doesn't help. Okay, so love and luck, and take care, and have a blast, and cheers to you on a lovely coffee. Enjoy yourself, feel good, feel great, soak up some interesting books, soak up some information, break the mold, break your own comfort zone, step into something new which you've not done. I'm planning to do it tomorrow, and do join us at the Drum Circle, which is going to be happening at the Oxford bookstore. So there are going to be a lot of people around there, and I think some known names from the industry are also going to be there, because we've just spoken yesterday and today and stuff. So if you want to meet interesting people and you want to have fun and you want to let loose and unbiased or non-controversial fun, then it's a good idea to kind of join the Delhi Drum Circle. And this is at Oxford Bookstore, so you can follow the YouTube videos, or you can follow the Facebook page to know more. We do not charge anybody. It is amazing fun. It is just a circle which is happening for many years. We are inspired from international drum circles and stuff and all that, and the idea is to kind of put people together in a kind of a group where you're creating music and enjoying music and stuff, and you go back refreshed and charged. And of course, the place is really nice, you know. So CP is amazing. It's easy to reach and stuff. So try and be there and enjoy yourself. And love and luck. I'm Jasleen Kapani, and you can write to me on jkapani@gmail.com and justlinkapani.im@gmail.com. Music really helps, you know, and it'll recharge your batteries and stuff. So try and drop in for a bit. Love and luck. Take care. Bye bye.